What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Easy Peasy, also PZFB on Instagram. Excuse the background noise. It's trash day. The garbage truck is driving around picking up the trash. I also have my washing machine running because once I got home from work, my dogs decided to leave me a super cool present in their kennel, all over their blankets and on their bed. So I'm washing all that stuff. But today, we're opening up the Jindys. I've been holding off just because I was like, do I want to get these $65, $70 fingerboard professional grade trucks? And I was like, yeah, I do want to. If I can open it.
Nasty.
Not trying to dox myself. We got 29 millimeters. Super sick. We're gonna throw them on this. I'm gonna get some B-roll of these trucks. All right, they're set up. Ooh, man, these are sick. Oh, that is responsive. All right, y'all, let's get a first try kickflip. Oh, these feel crazy. Oh! Second try? Third try? Alright, in my defense, my hands are cold. It's cold over here. It's raining. I'm not warmed up. We'll take that. First try. Let's get some clips. Alright, everybody, I have been using the Jindys all day today, messing around with them. I just had a little sesh not too long ago, and honestly, I am really enjoying these trucks. I do wish they were a little bit cheaper, but considering the process to make these is very tedious, I understand that they cost about $65, $70. It's very unique for a skateboard company and a professional fingerboard truck company to collaborate, which is super cool. Honestly, I understand the hype. I really enjoy it. That's all I have to say about this. If it's in your budget, definitely give them a try. I'm a little late to the hype train, but you know, still wanted to wait a bit. I did see some stuff on like Reddit and everything about some of the trucks slipping and all that, but so far they're solid. It looks like they got it dialed in and it's pretty good. So definitely check them out if it's in your budget. Other than that, this is my first ever fingerboard fingerboard video, at least long form content wise. So if you made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. Please consider subscribing. Drop a comment, hit the like button, hit the buttons, do the things. Check out my Instagram at peasy.fb. And that's all I have to say about this.